Welcome back everyone. I am Aarti Jha from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE board. This video is for class 1 students subject science. Student, Students, in this video we will learn how day and night occurs. Now look here, this is globe. It is replica of earth or model of the earth. Now, do you know how day and night happens? Yes, I hope you all know that sun rises in the east. Yes or no? Yes. Now look here. What happens? See, when the sun rises in the east, only half part of the globe or earth gets sunlight, whereas second part of the earth is in darkness. Yes. Now after that, see, when the earth rotates from east to west, then this part of the earth will get sunlight and this part have will experience night. So in this way day and night happens. Students, I hope you all understood how day and night occurs. Now let's study these things in detail. So let's start Unit 6, the universe. Chapter 15, the sun, the moon and the stars. So in this chapter we will learn about the sun, the moon and the stars. Let's read together. Today Mintu and Rinky woke up early in the morning. They looked at the rising sun and rushed up to the terrace. Mintu, wow, what a beautiful sky. Rinky, look at the sun is getting higher in the sky. Soon it will be shining brightly. When the sun rises in the east to bring a new day, it looks red. So underline these words. Sun rises in the east to bring a new day. It looks red. Next one. Mintu, it was so dark in the night. Thanks. Now we can see things clearly because of this sunlight. The sun gives us heat and light. So underline these words, heat and light. And sunlight helps us to see things clearly. Now look here. Question number 2, what do you see in the sky when the sun rises? So in the morning we can see birds flying in the sky, then rising sun and sunlight everywhere we can see. Now next one, Bintu, yes, but at the end of the day the sun will set in the west. So sun will set in the west, underline. It will be evening. Rinky, what happens when the sun sets in the evening? So students, let's see what happens when the sun sets in the evening. Look here, Bintu, it is night then, and you can see the twinkling stars and the moon in the sky. So students, at night what things we can see in the sky? Twinkling stars and moon. Look here, twinkling stars and the moon. Now Rinky, yes, the moon and the stars are visible only at night. So during day you can't see moon or the stars, but they are so different. They give light but are not like the sun. Yes, students, stars also give light, but they are not hot like the sun. Now look here, the period from sunrise to sunset is called a day. A sequence of 7 days is called a week. So in 7 days, see, 7 days, it starts from Monday. A week starts from Monday, and see, Monday and Sunday is the last day of the week. So a sequence of 7 days is called a week. Now the moon is round in shape. It is a white ball. It does not have its own light. Underline, the moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. Moon reflects the light of the sun. Have you ever noticed different shapes of the moon every night? Yes, we have noticed every night we can see different shapes of the moon, and on Amavasya you can see no moon in the sky. Look here. When does Monday come? Before Tuesday or after Sunday? Yes, when Monday comes, students, before Tuesday or after Sunday? Yes, Monday will come after Sunday. Look here, the stars. These are large in number and shines brightly at night. They are very big but look small because they are very far away from us. Now, why stars look small? Because they are very far away from us. Their size is big, see, but they are very far, that's why they look small. Now, they have their own light. Stars have their own light. For example, sun. Even sun is a star, and you all know that sun gives us heat and light. Now, meaning reflect, to send back light. Now, moon reflects light of a sun. Next one. Now, quick scroll. Now, whatever we studied in this chapter, let's read together. The sun, the moon, and the stars are seen in the sky. The sun shines brightly during the day. When the sun rises in the east, a new day begins. The moon and the stars are visible only at night. During day, we can't see stars or moon. Now, the moon does not have its own light. Yes, moon reflects light of the sun. The stars have their own light. Yes, sun is a star and the sun have its own light. Now, let's do question answer part. A. Which one is correct? The sun gives us fruits or heat and light. Yes, answer is C. Look here, vegetables, none of the above, or heat and light. Which of the following has its own light? The moon, a bulb, the sun, or the earth? Yes, sun is a star and it have its own light. Now, next one, 3. What does the sun, where does the sun rise? The west, south, east, or north? So the sun rises in the east. Now look here. B. Question number B. Tick the correct picture. See, sun or moon gives us heat and light. So answer is sun. Tick here. The moon looks like a white or yellow ball. Moon looks like a white ball. The number of dash. See, sun or stars shine brightly at night. Yes, at night stars shine. Now, a day begins when sun or moon rises in the east. Now, you all know when sun rises in the east, a new day begins. Now, look here, students. Last question. Question number D. Look at the picture and complete the following sentences. When the sun rises, it brings a new day. Yes, look here. Now, when the sun sets, it brings a night. Yes, students, complete your book. That's all for today's class, students. All the best.